sleep tight when you're clenching on my pillow. Used to dream of being famous in a limo, sitting with respected passion cigarillos. So sleep tight when you're clenching on.
Hey everyone, it's Jesse and welcome back to my channel. So today we got another unboxing video. So let's jump up in this video. We got a cleaning cloth for my sunglasses, a bag for my sunglasses. So let's take them out and look at them. Love these. These are the black pair. Love those as well. Love those as well. And I bought all these on Amazon. They're MeetSun sunglasses, 3 pair for $19.99 on Amazon. So with that being said, I'm Jessie. Till next time. Peace.
Power me up so I can shine when the world's the darkest.